Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the cameras of the Mi11X versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max device. As you can see, friends, so right now I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max for only for a limited amount of time. So I'll be able to compare the camera samples with the Mi11X device meanwhile. So all the shots which are taken in this both phones are taken only indoors, not the outdoors. So due to the restrictions, I won't be able to go outside at the moment. So sorry for that, friends. I will be able to compare only the indoor shots in this entire video. I'll try to go down all the shots which are taken indoor and I'll try to compare side by side by zooming in and zooming out and everything. So make sure to subscribe and also stay tuned for more videos, friends. I'll be doing so much of in-depth comparison between both the smartphones in the next couple of days. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to know. So let's begin the comparison first by showing you the front camera shots which are taken in the both phones at same time. As you can see the results for yourself. So first thing is that the iPhone looks kind of close to realistic colors. So whereas in the Mi11X it's slightly brighter. Image was slightly brighter and whiter. As you can see, this is kind of close to reality colors, natural colors, and this is the image which are taken in the Mi11X device. So this is how it looks. And here's a video, friends, which is available at the moment. So this is a front camera video recording which are recorded at same time in both phones. So as you can see, I'm trying to move in different direction in front of the light, and you can see the background colors how they look. As you can see, friends, so let me try to slightly pass it here, so you might be able to see the backside colors. So this is a color where all the background colors even got brighter as well, but whereas in the iPhone 12 Pro Max you can see the backside colors. This is how it looks exactly. You can see while recording the video, you can see here, friends. So definitely if I do the outdoor testing, the things might be completely different. So due to the restriction, I won't be able to go outdoor, as I said. So I'll be able to compare only the indoor shots which are taken in my home. So these are the indoor shots which are taken, friends. You can see the image looks really good on this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Definitely iPhone 12 Pro Max is a very good phone, but I just want to compare side by side how the image will be looking like. So this is my first time doing the iPhone comparison with another Android phone in my channel. So yes, friends, it's my first time that I'm doing, as you can see, which looks really good. Even the background table and all the chairs, which is really good in this iPhone. As you can see, the image looks really bright. So let me even try to increase the brightness. So brightness, both phones are set to the same kind of brightness level. As you can see, friends, same brightness level in both phones. As you can see the image colors, how they look. As you can see exactly at this moment. So in this shot, as you can see, friends, which looks really good, the detail and all the colors, as you can see, friends. So in this Mi11X device, the complete colors are not that visible, as you can see, but in this iPhone 12 Pro Max, the colors you can see how much it is cleared in this eyeball. You can see, friends, clearly. So these are shots which I'm talking about in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so which is a really good mobile phone, absolutely. So these are shots which are taken under the light. Still I can get really good clarity images even when I try to zoom in as well. This is another shot, as you can see here. Both phones. And this shot which are taken with a 5x zoom in both phones. So starting with the 5x zoom in both phones, this is the shot which are taken, friends. As you can see, the image slightly looks better in this iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you can see the plant colors are slightly saturated than this iPhone colors. You can see. Clearly you can see, friends, the difference in terms of the zooming and everything. The colors of the small dogs. So let me try to even show you the few settings which are available in the camera options right now. So these are the few options which are available in the both phones. So slow motion and time lapse, all the options you can see here clearly. Portrait mode and everything. Even same kind of option and interface is present in both the phones as well. Same kind of interface, everything, as you can see. I do like this kind of zooming which is present in this phone in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So right now you can see, friends, the zoom. If I try to do a 10x zoom, you can see This is a tablecloth, you can see which where the details are slightly much clearer than this phone as well, as you can see clearly. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between the both phones. I know it's only short review between the both phones. Sorry for that. As I said, this I am right now in the quarantine, so I may not be able to go outside and take shots. So only for the indoor shots, this is a complete review, friends, between the both phones. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.